Ito naman yung reaction ko kay Tara Valencia as third runner-up sa recently concluded na Miss Supranational 2025. Satisfied ako sa kanyang sagot sa Q&A kasi walang labis, walang kulang, and confident siyang sinagot. So, ito yung Q&A niya. Ito kasi yung sagot niya sa Q&A as one of the top 5 finalists. So, basahin natin yung question. Many young people today struggle with confidence and self-worth. What advice would you give them to help embrace who they are? Tapos ang sagot niya, a lot of individuals would always bring you down. But I say this because I experienced this. But I was able to battle this by giving myself positive affirmations such as, I am worthy, I am capable, and I can do anything through my power and through my own voice. And this is what every individual should do to have their own self-worth. Oh, baka meron na naman magbabash sa akin na hindi ako pwedeng mag-English dahil wrong pronunciation na naman ha. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang recently concluded winner na Miss Supranational 2025 na si Brazil. Kapansin-pansin yung humbleness niya kahit alam niya na siya yung panalo sa Miss Supranational. Hindi siya nagpakita ng any signs ng pagkasupladita, hindi siya hambog, very down to earth talaga siya and humaharap din talaga siya sa mga fans. Una pa lang kasi nung nakita ko si Brazil bilang representative ng kanilang country, mapapansin mo talaga yung power, the confidence, tapos yung commanding presence niya na batidong-batido, tapos makikita mo yung pinaka-goal niya na manalo, hindi for experience. And hasang-hasa siya kung mapapansin niyo sa kanyang pasarela, lahat ng anggulo talagang pinaghirapan niya ito and handa talaga siyang ilaban yung Brazil. Ito naman yung list of top 5, the winner, first runner-up, second runner-up, third runner-up, and fourth runner-up. And let us begin with the winner of Miss Supranational from Brazil. And then, ang first runner-up naman ay ang German Filipina representing Germany na si Ana Lacrini Valencia. Tapos, ang second runner-up naman ay from Curaçao. Tapos, the third runner-up naman ay, of course, from the Philippines, especially here in Northern Luzon, na si Tara Valencia. At ang ating fourth runner-up naman ay ang Puerto Rico. Isa sa napansin ko sa Miss Supranational, yung kanilang stage design. Every year, ang galing, napaka-unique, tapos malawak yung stage designs nila, no? So, pwede mo siyang i-compare doon sa MGI din na maganda din yung stage production nila, tapos yung stage design din. So, ang garbo, no? Napaka parang nanonood ka sa